Alright guys, so I'm here at Circle K. Dropping off the plants over by Peppaz. See? This plumber ain't playing, guys. Look. He already cut all that needed to be cut. So he cut all his lines. Yeah, so we working, guys. We working. You working. Yeah, I didn't know he was gonna start this early, but yeah. All right. So let me give you a rundown. So the other day I had pretty much got with the plumber. He we came over here, met, signed some paperwork, and you know. Got everything finalized. He said he would have come and start cutting on the inside and you know do the outside and stuff like that. But I didn't know, he didn't tell me he's gonna come over here. So see, he came and actually cut the lines where he's gonna put his floor drains, and he's gonna hook up his where he's gonna hook up his what do you call it? Drain that goes back outside to the grease trap, because see that he cut right here is all leading to the outside. So yeah, has a nice little drawing on the wall there. I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah. But yeah, pretty much he started. I was expecting I didn't expect any work to start yet. I thought he was gonna, you know, tell me what's going on, but he has access. I gave him a key to the in the lockbox, so he's able to do what he gotta do. So anyhow, stay tuned. I'm gonna rearrange some of these things, move them over in the corner out of his way, and continue. All right, guys. So here we go. It's evening time, nighttime actually. So this is where we're at with the Peppaz Project. Earlier today, they started this last night, guys. So he came in back this morning, started cutting the lines. So these lines that they're cutting right here is pretty much for the grease trap. So all these holes you see right here is sewer drainage for our mop sink is gonna go here, like what I said this morning. The one compartment sink, the 3 compartment sink is gonna go here. So these are pipes for the drainage for each equipment. It's for each sink, I should say. So you'll have a floor sink right here, a floor sink right here. This will take care of these 2, and then we'll also have a hand wash sink that's gonna go right here. So that's the hand wash sink gonna go run right here, and all of that. Oh, this is a floor drain that's gonna go right here. The floor drain is pretty much when you wash your kitchen out. So if you wash your kitchen out, it's gonna drain into that floor. So we're gonna have a floor drain, you know, running along here, maybe 2 drains along here. So this area is gonna be the kitchen area. That area is gonna be the customer area, and then this is gonna be the back of the kitchen as well. So this is where they at pretty much. They already dug most of it. I would say all of it is dug already. So they just gotta clear this out and take the dirt out. They're gonna take the dirt out right there. So you know, the cutting is already done pretty much in a day. They still have this area to cut. They're gonna cut this right here. And the reason why they're cutting here, as I said, there's a bathroom is gonna come right here, a customer bathroom. So when you come in through the front door, they're gonna pretty much enter through here to go in a customer bathroom. We already have a employee bathroom back here and a small office right there. So we're gonna have 2 bathrooms. This is for the employees in the back, and then this is gonna be a bathroom for the customers in the front. So that's why they're digging here, so we could add a toilet and a sink for here to tie back into the existing sewer. All these lines here, that's for the grease trap. That one's going to the sewer. So this is what it looks like, guys. You know, we're gonna get a dumpster to dump all of this out. So yeah, so he just started digging right here. He's not gonna do any plumbing as of yet, but the reason why he dug this, because the grease trap that's gonna go on the outside in that grass area right there is gonna tie into back into this, where this tunnel is. So this trench he's digging is gonna go back out. All the connections from here in here is gonna go back out to the grease trap in that grass area. So he's just digging this first. He's gonna stop with this and start digging the grease trap next, because as I said, guys, we got the permit for outside to do the grease trap. So he's gonna start doing the grease trap as soon as the inspector comes out. And you know, we already got the permit for that, but the inspector is gonna come out to look at the actual space where it's gonna go. So once he comes out, then he's gonna, you know, start digging outside. Then they could do the piping on the inside. So that's where we're at. Pretty much this is just, I would say, a full day's work. They started last night to cut the lines, and then this morning when I came in, nothing was dug out yet. So they did this from this morning when I was here around 9-10 o'clock until now. They took everything out. So I guess they're coming tomorrow to do that part right there, and then he'll probably move on to the outside. So this is what it looks like, guys. This is the beginning. We're breaking ground right here on the Peppaz. I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this moment just to start digging and working. I've been waiting 4 months, going on 5 months now, and we're just now getting a chance to start. So, I've been waiting all this time just to get permits and all of that. We got through with most of the permits. We got through the permits to start digging and dig the grease trap and stuff like that. So stay tuned, guys. It's a lot of work. Look, it's nothing now. So we're pretty much building an entire kitchen from scratch. Even the ceiling. Look at the ceiling. There's nothing there. Air condition is there, lights is there, electric is here. There's a breaker panel right there. There is a bathroom here, but there's no flooring, no tiling. In my previous videos, you have seen me went to Tennessee to pick up the tiles. We got quarry tiles for the floor, like those commercial kitchen uses quarry tiles. So we got our plans over here. He's going through the plans. To tell him, these plans tell him where everything goes pretty much. So yeah, we're gonna do this from scratch. You know, walls gonna be FRP in the back of the kitchen. In the front of the kitchen, you saw me when I bought the subway tiles. I bought the subway tiles to go in the customer area on the back wall. You know, when you come up to the counter, and then that back wall that's behind the service counter, we'll do subway tiles right there. The floors over here is gonna have like a concrete tile, and then the restrooms is gonna have tiles from floor to ceiling as well. See this is the tile we're gonna use right here. It's more like a concrete finish. So when you do it, it's gonna look like a concrete. And then these are the tiles for the it's like a white marble looking tile for the bathrooms. And then we got the subway tiles over here. So yeah, we on it, guys. We just started. We just broke ground. Let's say we broke ground the 1st of October. So it's the 1st of October 2024. We just breaking ground after all, 4 or 5 months. So I'm gonna try and make this project happen in around 3 months. I would say 3 months to get all this done. 4 months, right? So let's see if we could pull it off and get everything done. As I said, the walls, we're gonna do the walls in FRP. In a kitchen, we have to do some kind of wipeable material. So FRP, we're gonna do FRP all the way around. On this back wall where the hood is gonna go, where that hood is gonna go, it's gonna go in the ceiling right here. The back wall right here is gonna be stainless steel. Everything else is gonna be FRP. FRP the whole entire area, except the front. We're gonna do paint finish in the front customer area. There is gonna be a wall right here. So from right here, there's gonna be a wall right here. And then another wall right here with a door to access. And then that is gonna be the counter right here. The counter is gonna go right here. The service counter. And then, customer area in the front. Once you go around to the corner right there to the left, there's gonna be the access to the bathroom. It looks like it might not make sense now to you guys, but it will all make sense once I get going. Yeah. Once we get going, it's gonna make sense. All right. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna wrap this one up for the night. I'm gonna be coming here almost every day now just to show you guys the progress and what we're doing. Some of it is gonna be where I'm filming while they're working. Some of it is gonna be where it's gonna be after they're done working. The thing about it is I don't know when these guys come in. They do have keys to the building, to the doors. So whenever they need to have access to come on in and do what they gotta do, they just come on in and do what they have to do. They could come in the middle of the night and just start working. They set their own schedule. So a lot of times I don't know if they're here or not, unless I pop up on them, right? So that's how they normally work. Sometimes they'll be here early in the morning. It might be midday. They have a lot of jobs going on all over, so they might be working somewhere else and then they leave that job and come over here. So that's how they normally work. So with that being said, some of the footages this morning I caught him and I saw him cutting, so I filmed a little bit this morning while he was cutting that part of it. But sometimes you will see me with him working, helping out, whatever, when I can. And then sometimes you might not see while he's doing it. You'll just probably see when he's done. All right. So stay tuned on this one. I'm gonna close this vlog out for the night. I'll be here tomorrow. Maybe I'll catch him when he's cutting that part. I know they're gonna finish digging this section right here. So stay tuned. We're on it. We'll catch up with you guys later on in the morning. Peace. All right, guys. I had to stop by the salon real quick just to check. I was passing by, so I just stopped by just to see if everything is good. Always are good. Everything is good. Today we got people working in here today, but it wasn't messy at all. I literally didn't have to do anything in here tonight. Of course I still go through and vacuum it, but I didn't have to. It's just minor, just a little bit of here by the door, that's it. Front is good. See, it's nighttime now. It's probably like after 10 maybe. Yeah, so it's late at night. Anyhow, I was just passing by. I went by the Peppaz Project, so I was passing by, so I said let me just stop by and take a quick look in, peek in, and see what, if there's a mess in here. So with me coming here now, I really don't have to go. I don't have to come here in the morning, early in the morning. Normally I would come here like 6 in the morning before everybody get here. So like I came here, I cleaned the bathrooms over. It was pretty clean, but I still just go over, clean the sinks off, tap up whatever toiletries may, change the garbage. It wasn't even filled, but I just changed it anyway. See, it's nice and clean, so that's good to go. Always good to go. Lifestyle is good to go. I'll see you tomorrow. So anyhow, as I said, it's pretty clean. Let me turn this radio back on. Hold on. Yeah, I turned the radio off so that the copyright thing go already. So pretty much it's good to go. The restaurant over there is still open, so we still got cars in the parking lot. They close at 11 at night, so as you can tell, parking lot not too full, but we got a Mexican restaurant over there. They close at 11 as well. So but yeah, work no stop, guys. We're on the road all day today. Went by the airport, picked up some people, some family visiting, so went and did that, came back, went straight over to the Peppaz Project, see how they're doing. They're done for the night, so I guess they're gonna come tomorrow and finish up the rest of the cutting. By tomorrow they should be ready, should be finished with all the cutting. So with that being said, I'm gonna close this vlog out. It's been a full day. I've been up since 6 this morning. Came out on the road, came to the salon. You saw everything. I probably split this up into 2 videos, but I started 6 this morning and now it's after 10, maybe about 11 o'clock at night. So we're still on it. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna get up at 6. I'll probably go over by the county tomorrow morning just to see what they're saying in terms of the final plan review. I'm gonna check on them and see what they say. Tomorrow is what? Thursday, so I won't have to come here in the morning. I still have to paint those 2 rooms, but I'm probably gonna do it at night when everybody's gone. So I'll probably do that tomorrow night. Tomorrow I'm just gonna head over to the county and then head over to the Peppaz Project just to see, do some video in there and see what they're going on with. So after I leave the county, I'll go over to the Peppaz Project. It's right around the corner. So yeah, guys, I'm excited. Peppaz Project start. Finally, we get to start break ground. So make a video as much as possible when it comes to that, so you guys could see it as far as what I'm using, what the materials I'm using, how I'm cutting each section of it. We're gonna talk about it. As I say, you might not see it happen, but I'll talk about it. So be safe out there, guys. Have a good night. Now close this one out. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning. It's life every day, and we out.